In this video, we are going to learn about various statistical functions in Excel 2019, which includes minimum value, maximum value, or small and large values, mode, median, etc. We will see one by one. Our first function in statistical functions is minimum function, which is used to retrieve a smallest number in a given range. The syntax is equals to min of range. What is the range? B3 to B13. 5 is the smallest value in this range. Like this, you can also find maximum value in a given range. So, equals to max of range, that is C3 to C13, which is used to display the largest number in a given range. 78 is the largest number. With the help of this minimum and maximum functions, you can find the smallest value or largest value from a given range. Now, our next function is large function. See, it returns the kth largest value in a data set. You can use this function to select a value based on its relative standing. For example, you can use large to return the highest number or runner-up number or third place or fourth place. See here in this syntax, K is the position in the array or cell range of data to return. See, we will see. Equals to large of range, comma 1. Here 1 indicates the first largest value in the given range, 78. If you write 2, the second highest value, 65. If you write 3, it displays the third highest value. Like this, you can find any number of largest or smallest value with the help of these functions. Our next function is small function. Equals to small of range, comma kth value. For example, I want to display third smallest value in a range. What is the first smallest value? 5. Now we will find out what is the third smallest value. See, 12 is the third smallest value in this range. With the help of these two, you can find large or small numbers in a given range. And the next function is average function. It returns the average, that is arithmetical mean of the argument, equal to average of range. See how the average is calculated. It returns the average, that is arithmetical mean of the argument. See, it is calculated by a group of numbers, adding and then dividing by the count of these numbers. We will see one example for understanding purpose. See, for example, you have 5, 6, 7, 6. What is the total of these numbers? 24 is the total. So here it is calculated equals to adding of these numbers by, that is divided by the count of these numbers. How many numbers are there? 4 numbers. So equals to 24 by 4. So answer is 6. We will see equals to average of range. Range means 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 by 4. What is the answer? 6 is the answer. Like this, you can find the average of given numbers. See, our next formula is mode. What is the use of this mode function? This mode function is the function which is used to retrieve or repeat the most occurrence number in a group of numbers. See, equals to mode of range. See, it retrieves most frequency occurring or repetitive number in a group. What is the most frequent number? 45 is the repetitive number in this series. See, here 1, 2, 3. Total 3 times are there. So, next, median function. See, here median returns the median of the given numbers. What is meant by median? The median is the number in the middle of a set of numbers. See, what is the middle number of this set? See here. Totally you have 11 numbers. So, the sixth number is the middle number. See here. 6 is the median number. We will see equals to median of range. The answer is 6. Why? Because this is the mid number on this range. So, here we will see one more example. For example, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, see, if you want to find the median of this, simply you can say 3. If you add one more number, what happens? See, here you have 2 mid numbers. So, how the median is calculated? At this time equals to 3 plus 4 by 2. Means 7 by 2. That is 3.5 is the answer. If you have only one number, it displays a direct 3 is the answer. If you have two numbers as a mid value, so what happens? It adds 2 and divided by number of numbers equals to median of range. What is the answer? 3.5 is the answer. Now the next formula is count. See, it counts the number of cells that contain numbers and counts numbers within the list of arguments. See, we will see equals to count of range. What is the range? B3 to B10. See, what is the answer? 3. Because in this range you have 3 numeric values, that is 1500, 2400 and 8500. So the answer is 3. It means it uses to get the number of entries in a number field that is in a range or array of numbers. So it displays only the count of numbers in a range. So the next one is COUNTA. What is the difference between count and COUNTA? Calculates only the numeric numbers, but here the COUNTA calculates the number of cells that are not empty and the values within the list of arguments. We will see equals to COUNTA of range. Total 7. It means it calculates the data entry, non-empty cells. See, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the next one is COUNTBLANK, which is used to count the empty cells in a specified range of cells. We will see how. Equals to COUNTBLANK of range. It counts the empty cells in a range. Only one empty cell. If you delete this, what happens? See, here now 2 empty cells are there. So count formula is used to count the numeric numbers in a range, and COUNTA formula is used to count the non-empty cells in a range, and COUNTBLANK is used to count the blank cells in a range. Our next and last formula is Countif, which is used to count the number of cells within a range that meet the given criteria. See, in this example, I want to count the cells which having apple. For that, Countif of range, comma, write your text string apple. It counts the cells which having apple. Answer is 3. Here, instead of writing the text, you can give your cell reference also. Range, comma, A3. In this way also you count the number of apples. Now, the third method is you can count the number of cells which having apple and orange also using Countif formula. For that, I am writing two Countif formulas in one cell equals to Countif of range comma A3, that is apple, plus again write Countif formula Countif of range comma the cells which having orange, that is A10. So the answer is 5. So, apples are 3, oranges are 2. The next one is how to work with numbers using Countif functions. See, in this range, I want to display the number which having above 50 equals to Countif of, that is greater than 50, range comma greater than 50. How many numbers are there? You have totally 3 numbers, that is 68, 59 and 85. In this way also you can count the range. The last one is, see here in the C column you have 25F, 35P, etc. So assume that this is 25F means fail and P means pass. Now I want to calculate total passed candidates in this range. For that, equals to Countif of range comma, instead of writing F, you have to add star here. Star means part of the text having P. Total number of passed candidates are 3. If you write F, it counts the failed candidates. See, for count the absent candidates, for example AB, you need not to write star, you can directly write AB because this is the entire text, not a part of the text. Like this, you can find the criteria from a given range. With this, we complete statistical functions in Excel 2019. Thanks for watching this video.